If magagawi ka sa poblasyon, OnlyFans is something you should try. Ubi hot chat is delicious. Burrito is so nakakabusog at the same time this one. If nag-crave ka sa Chinese food, of course, Dashuan is a must try. Pero I don't recommend the halaan soup. Ang sarap nung shrimp nila. Ay, prawn pala yung tawag nila dyan. Sobrang scrumptious. Siguro we should have tried hot pot instead of the halaan soup. And after that, we had a small drink in Mad Monkey. Tom's Margarita is something that you should try. Tapos, ang sarap nitong red wine nito with the spices. And then we had the takeout from Thomas Elijah. The next day, we ate at Royal Curry. Ang sarap ng curry nila. You should try it with the non-garlic. Tapos, yung dessert na na-try namin, I'm not sure kung anong pangalan. But anyways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!